Hello everyone, today we are going to explore two fundamental forces in physics, cohesive and adhesive forces. Cohesive force is the attractive force between molecules of the same substance. It what holds a material together, keeping its molecules bonded and giving shapes. For example, water molecules sticking together to form droplets. Metal atoms bonding to form solid structure. Glass molecules holding together to maintain its rigid shape. और you can say कि ये आपस में प्यार करने वाले forces होते हैं. Adhesive force. Adhesive force, on the other hand, is the attractive force between molecules of different substance. It what allows of material to stick together. Or another example, glue bonding paper and plastic, water wetting a surface and spreading, tape sticking to a wall or object. और you can say कि ये adhesive force दूसरों से प्यार करने वाले molecules होते हैं. The main difference between cohesive and adhesive forces is the type of molecules involved. Cohesive force, same substance, intramolecular. Adhesive force, different substance, intermolecular. Understanding cohesive and adhesive forces is crucial in various fields such as material science, developing new materials and understanding their properties. In engineering, designing structures and systems that rely on these forces. In biology, understanding cellular interaction and tissue structures. In conclusion, cohesive and adhesive forces are essential understanding how materials interact and behave. Remember, cohesive forces hold a material together and adhesive forces allow it to stick to others. Thanks for watching.